So a lot of people know, or you may not know, that we have a sister company called Expert Home Buyer, where we buy investment properties, we buy properties to renovate, we buy properties nonstop. And we buy any type of property. The property could be a complete renovation to no renovation. I mean, we've bought properties that are halfway burnt down, need to be tore down. Whatever you can think about, we buy it. And we can buy it cash and we can settle quickly. So if you have a property out there that you need to sell, you need to get cash, you need to sell it fast, doesn't matter the condition, you don't need to do any work with it. There's been plenty of times when people have a bunch of stuff in the property that they don't want to move or they don't want to move out, and we just do it for them. If you have a property like this, you need to get cash, you need to get it quick, you need to settle quick, then we have the option for you. Reach out today, let us talk about how we can help you through our sister company, Expert Home Buyer.